In February, two planets, Mercury and Saturn, disappear as the sun's bright light overwhelms them. Mercury vanishes early in the month, blending into the dawn sky, while Saturn fades away into the sunset glow by the second week. As we welcome March, we bid farewell to Venus, which has been shining brightly in the morning sky since late summer. Venus gradually sinks lower and closer to the horizon, becoming harder to spot as the month progresses. By the end of March, Venus will rise just before sunrise and may be challenging to see. Meanwhile, Mars and Saturn also struggle to emerge from the bright morning light, making them tricky to spot without binoculars. However, spotting the two evening planets, Jupiter and Mercury, is much easier. Jupiter remains visible in the west-southwest sky after nightfall, although it gradually sinks lower as the month goes on. Mercury, on the other hand, puts on its best evening show of 2024 in March. It shines brightly in the western sky during the middle and end of the month, appearing lower to the right of Jupiter. If you've never seen Mercury before, now's your chance. To help you spot these celestial wonders, remember that the distance between two objects in the sky can be roughly measured by the width of your clenched fist held at arm's length, which is about 10 degrees. We've provided a schedule to help you find the best times to view the planets and where to look for them. The Sun. On March 19th, something special happens with the Sun. It looks like it's crossing an imaginary line called the celestial equator, moving north. This marks the beginning of spring in the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere. Incidentally, this is the earliest that the vernal equinox has occurred in 128 years, chiefly an artifact of the year 2000, having been a leap year. Only century years equally divisible by 400 can be leap years. If the year 2000 hadn't been a leap year, this event would have happened a day later, on March 20th. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, has a moment to shine on March 24th. It's standing farthest from the Sun in the evening sky, making it easier to see. You can spot it just after sunset, low in the west, near Jupiter. Even though it's known for being tricky to see, don't miss out on this opportunity. Through a telescope, you might even catch a glimpse of its tiny crescent shape, Venus. Venus, the brightest planet in the sky, is putting on a show in March. It rises in the east-southeast before the Sun, but as April approaches, it's getting closer to the Sun's glare. So, enjoy spotting Venus while you can. It won't be visible for much longer. Mars. Mars, the red planet, is making a subtle appearance in the morning sky. Look towards the east-southeast horizon before sunrise, and you might see a faint, reddish dot. That's Mars. It's best to use binoculars to help you spot it. On March 7th, you can even see it near the slender crescent moon and Venus. Jupiter. Jupiter, the giant gas planet, is stealing the spotlight in the evening sky. You can easily spot it in the west-southwest after sunset, shining brightly like a star. On March 13th, look for Jupiter near the beautiful crescent moon. It's a breathtaking sight. Saturn. Last but not least, Saturn is making a brief appearance before sunrise on March 21st. Keep your eyes peeled for it near Venus, low in the east-southeast horizon. With binoculars, you might be able to see Saturn's rings. As the days go by, Saturn moves away from Venus and rises higher in the sky.